traders. Here you go. Here's the results of the power zone. You can see it here, live trading the power zone going in. All right, traders, I'm out. Welcome back, traders. Getting for ready for another trading week. Demolishing the Forex market with the power zone. Just beast mode. All right, we're going to start it off with a Great British Pound, New Zealand dollar. Sunday, coming in here. Not looking for anything at the moment when the market opens, but I'm looking for a buy trade here at 3 a.m. in the morning. And it looks like we're going to peak out here at 9 o'clock in the morning, so we can take a sell here. And then it's got only thing is this, you got a slight pullback, and you could just possibly wait for this. You can take a short here at 9 or here at 11, and it's going to go down, pull back slightly, but you could see it's working its way down to the south. And another sell opportunity at 2300 on Monday. That's 11 p.m. on Monday night, and then into Tuesday we're going down pretty hard. So we're looking for trades in this area. Any kind of pullback, look for a short. Here's an up move coming here at 7 a.m. on Tuesday. Daily trading range on this pair is 173 pips. Again, the market is still not moving like it, this pair at 173 pips is normally, at least over 200 pips on an average. But for some reason, the market is coiled up or something. But we're probably going to get a huge breakout sooner or later. All right, traders. So then we're coming in on Wednesday for another sell opportunity on the pound New Zealand, 11 a.m. in the morning, down until 1600. Pull back, 1800 only, for 2 hours, and then back down again. This is going to be a lowest point here, and then for a while until we get the sell opportunity. But it looks like it's really choppy, but it's definitely going up. And then the sell opportunity is going to come here at 9 a.m. in the morning, and it's going to go down, traders, down, and then to 1400, and then it looks like it's going back up. And just looking at this, you could see it's kind of going back and forth. All right, so that's Thursday, and then Friday we're coming into another sell here at 3 a.m. in the morning. Okay. All right, so next up is going to be the Great British Pound JPY. This pair, I'm predominantly looking all short trade. I think I have like one long trade on this pair, is like right here. But pretty much any kind of pullback, I'm looking to sell the pound JPY, period. Okay, and JPYs across the board are probably going to go down. I may load up my yen workspace and see if I'm going to take some of those yen opportunities to the south. Okay, so first trade up. The market is going to go up on the JPY when it opens up. So, and then it's going to peak out here at 2200, and you could see the down slope right here until 3 a.m. in the morning. Slight pullback. Looks like some choppiness. You could see it in the HPC lines. And then, but it looks like we're going down, traders, to me. Down. And then here's the buy opportunity here. You could either not take the buy, or if you want to take it for a short scalp, here it's going to come in at 9 a.m. in the morning, and it's going to peak out here at 11. And you're going to get some sort of a double top, another test of the high. Try to take it out, but it looks like it's going to go back down. Okay, and then it's going to come back up again, slowly going down, and just keep going down. Choppy. You can look at the choppiness here. And then another short opportunity at 11 a.m. to the south. That's what I'm looking at it with the HPC lines. And here's another sell opportunity here on Thursday. So yeah, predominantly, I'm looking for shorts on the Great British Pound JPY. Any kind of pullback into resistance zone, I'm taking it to the south. Okay. Next up is going to be the pound Australian dollar. This pair, it's coming in. It's actually going to go up when the market opens. Looking for a sort of an up move here until we get to, yeah, I'm looking for a short. My first like maybe short trade was going to be Monday 1800 for a down move, pull back. Another short opportunity 1 a.m. in the morning to the south. Then the buy trade's going to come here at 7 a.m. in the morning and push the market back up to 11 a.m. and then we're going down again. So this could be an opportunity for a short, counter trend trade possibly, because it has enough time to make pips here, and then you can reverse your position here. Do your own analysis and see what the currency pairs are actually doing on these times. Okay, 11 a.m. look for a down move, 7 a.m. look for an up move, and 1 a.m. looking for a down move. Sideways movement to me, down, up, down. I mean, it's just sideways, but you still can catch a lot of pips, trading that way. Okay, and then Wednesday coming in at 1 a.m. in the morning, looking for a move push down on the pound Aussie to the south until 5 a.m. in the morning, pulls up, makes a higher low, and then goes up, and then we peak out here again 9 a.m. in the morning to the south. Okay, so looks like we're gonna have some Aussie strength, I guess. Then we got 1600 on Wednesday, goes up, pulls back, goes up, but eventually it does go up. Sometimes, when you're in trades like this and it's just bumpy, so you just got to be aware, stick to your trading plan, and just trade your plan. All right, and then Thursday's coming in here at 5 a.m. in the morning. Looks like a very short down move, depending on what it's actually doing. It's not that much time. Let's see. It's 5 a.m. till 7. That's 2 hours. But then it pulls back and then it goes down again. So this is sideways movement here. And it just looks like it's going sideways. It goes down a little lower here. Overall, looks like it's probably partial to the short. Okay, so that's it. That's the pound Australian dollar. 156 pip daily trading range. Again, for this pair, it's definitely not what I'm used to. All right, so next up is going to be the US dollar JPY. 124 pip daily trading range. Again, this pair is going to go up when the market opens, and it's going to peak out here either at 1900 or 2200. I'm going to go with the latter, 2200 for short. And I'm just looking for short trade. I think I got one buy trade here, and this one's iffy too because it's going to come in at 1 a.m. in the morning. It's going to go up, pull back, and it's going to slowly retrace, and then boom, shoot up, and then we're going to take shorts. Boom, short trade. Here's another possible short trade. They're just all sells on this pair. That's what I see. Could be different, but that's what I'm looking, and that's what I'll be very biased towards the short side of this pair. All right, that's the US dollar JPY. Again, with the power zone, this thing's beast mode. Okay, next up is going to be the Euro New Zealand at 111. Oh, you know what? This is wrong. I have it at DRT. That's funny. I catch that. DTR. I hope I didn't make the other ones like that. Like the traders. DTR 112. And this pair, we made some pips on the last. It really broke out finally towards the end of the week to the north. So Sunday's coming in for a down move, back up, down, looks sideways. Then we break out to the north at 2 a.m. in the morning, slight pullback, and then we peak out here at 9 a.m. in the morning. So this looks like the longer duration of the short move until we get to 2200 on Monday evening. It's going to go up, pull back, go up, pull back down. Still looks like it's still going to drop. So depending on what the pip count here is, then you could exit, wait for another short opportunity up here or here, 11 a.m. in the morning Tuesday, 4 a.m. in the morning on another short. Okay, so just be on the lookout for that. But definitely a nice opportunity up here at 9 a.m. in the morning, and also a buy signal at 2 a.m. in the morning to the upside. Okay, that's Monday. Nothing I would really recommend. Let's see, Sunday. It may go down. We'll see, traders, here, but Sunday's normally slow. This is 8 a.m. We'll 8 p.m. I'll see what happens there. Also, it's a holiday on Monday for the U.S., so the market may be slow in the U.S. session. All right, so then Wednesday we come here at 12 a.m. I noticed a very pattern at 12 a.m. These New Zealand pairs like to go down. Okay, so you can see it goes down. Bottom out here at 1600 on Wednesday, and then we work our way up to the north for the rest of the duration of the week. That's what I see. I mean, you see some slight pullbacks, but the majority looks like it's going to the north, and then it rolls over a little bit on Friday and starts heading down here. Very slight. Okay, so that is the Euro New Zealand. Majority looking for short trades until Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday at 1600. All right, so that's the Euro New Zealand. Now up next is going to be the Euro Australian at 103 pips. The Euro Australian. These pip counts are ridiculous. I hope we're not going back to 2000 and I think it was 14 when the ranges were it's horrible. Okay, so market opens and this pair is going to go down, then back up, sideways. My first trade probably on this pair is going to be here at Monday at 8 p.m. or yeah, Monday. 7-8. It could be 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. Either or, and it's going to go down. Then it's going to stop here at. It's not even that long. It's not even that much time. A couple of hours. And this is sideways, traders. And then 11 a.m. on Tuesday, down move, back up slightly, back and forth, and then down again. That should be the lowest point right here on Wednesday at 5 a.m. in the morning. It's going to go up, pull back. This is pretty nasty pullback right here, and then another entry to go long. Then a pull back into the trend for another long opportunity here at 10 a.m. in the morning on Thursday. And there's a short opportunity here, but it's still kind of going up. Great sideways movement, definitely. So just watch out for that, because it's just going back and forth. But once we get to Wednesday, it looks like it pivots, starts to go up to the north, but it's going to be kind of choppy. And then once you get to Friday, it's going to level out, and you're going to get a double top here, right here, and it's going to start heading down. It's your Australian dollar. Okay, next up is going to be the US dollar Canadian, aka the cash machine. All right, the cash machine is the signals on this pair are just sometimes it's just lights out. It's so consistent with trading this software. This and the Aussie dollar is just beast mode, and also when the yen, the US dollar yen, when you can get some really good, clear signals, it is awesome. All right. So coming in here on the market, I'm not going to take any trades until looks like it's going to go up here when the market opens. It's going to take a slight dip and then go up, pull back here at 1900. Going to go down, but overall looking for short trades on this pair. Believe it or not, yeah, short trades. And then we're going to bottom out here on 7 a.m. Tuesday, and then we're going to start going up. And then we're going to take some more short trades here at 8 p.m. on Tuesday. I don't know. It doesn't look like it's going down that hard. I don't see no rough, like, real down moves on this pair. Not like, yeah, it looks sideways down here. Here's a triple confirmation Thursday. 8 a.m. in the morning to the north on Thursday. And then we go up and then we peak out here possibly 7 a.m. in the morning on Friday. A quick down move to back, just to go right back up and go higher. All right, so we'll see how the cash machine is going to work this week, because the HPC line is looking a little choppy, but definitely short sentiment. I'll be taking on the US dollar Canadian. All right, that's that. And next up, and the Aussie US dollar. Daily trading range on this one, 64 pips. And coming in on Sunday, looking for a down move, straight down move on the Aussie dollar until we get to, it's going to bottom out right down here somewhere, but it looks like the lines are going flat, and then the lines start moving up at this time at 1900 on Monday. All right, which is 7 p.m. And then we peak out here again at 1 a.m. in the morning. We take a slight dip down. It's going to be choppy. Best opportunity 7 a.m. Yeah, sideways movement, traders. And then we go right back up 1500. It's so choppy. Definitely not smooth with the HPC lines for sure. I mean, you can see on the histogram it's going up, but you got some dips and stuff in these on the HPC lines. Up move, and then it pulls down hard here, and then it goes right back up. Yeah, sideways. There's another short opportunity, but this pair is sideways. I can see it. It's going to be one of those. Hopefully, it won't be one of those weeks, but it may be another sideways movement week with a slight. Yeah, definitely. Well, that's the Aussie dollar. That's what I see. To me, it looks like sideways movement, traders. I mean, that's what I see here. So we'll see. Definitely not clear. Like some, when you have some, I had 1 week where the Aussie dollar, it was one of the clearest pairs I've ever seen with histograms. It was just so clear. I can probably go back. Let's see. What week was that? Let's see. No, it's not going to let me go back. It's really, the market's not open. This is one of them. Now you can see how clear the histogram is, and the HPC lines itself. It's very clear. Very, very clear. I mean, you make tons of pitch when it's very clear like that. Very easy to read. All right, traders. So that's what we're looking at this week. It looks like some choppiness, but if you do it this way, looks, and it pulls back into this, and then it goes up. It's it's clear, but with the HPC lines, I like to try to get the best opportunity where I have the lowest point of a drawdown. With the HPC lines, you can really pinpoint like here the down move, because you can see this is the white line's a 1 week line, and You see it coming in at 3 a.m. with the histogram here. Some lines are going down, some lines are going up, but this is the most relevant is the white. And then it goes down really hard here, 7 a.m. See how all the lines are in the same direction pretty much going? You know that this pair is going down. And you can see the histogram is saying that too. Same thing, going down. All right, traders, so that's it. I'll update you. Actually, you know what? I have a couple of Trend Stalker Elite. So let's switch over to the Trend Stalker Elite, like the pound. The Great British Pound US dollar and the New Zealand US dollar. Okay, so this is the New Zealand US dollar. Sunday coming in, not taking really anything trades for this pair. So first trade is going to be Monday, 10:40 a.m. in the morning for a long trade on the New Zealand US dollar, as you can see here. Then Tuesday comes in 1 a.m. in the morning, going down to the south. Here's another intermediate move on this pair is going to be here to the south. See, that's how the histogram, when it pulls, this is like the histogram pulling back and then down, traders. And then down into 10.10 for another buy on Tuesday on the New Zealand US dollar. It's going to go to the north and it's going to cross the zero line, but then you're going to get a lot of chop here until, now it's a lot. So this pair is going to be going from this way to here for quite a while until Wednesday at 12:20. And then we're going to go down to the south and then look for a buy on Thursday at 2 a.m. in the morning, but it looks like it's below zero, so it may be bearish, so just be aware of that. With the Trend Stalker Elite, we're not able to go any further. You can only do like maybe 3 days with this, versus the Power Zone, you can do all 5 days. Okay, so next up is going to be the pound US dollar. This one's got a ton of trades on it. So first trade coming in here could be 1800 for a long trade on the pound US dollar. And then the next the next two are going to be sell trades on top of the histogram. 3:10 a.m., 7:10 a.m. on Monday, and then we're going to go down into 10:40 for a buy opportunity until 14:30. Okay, we're on top of the histogram, and then we'll look for a sell opportunity at 14:30 till 4:40 a.m. in the morning on Tuesday. Then look for a buy signal at 4:40 up to 13:20 on Tuesday. This is the pound US dollar. Then we're gonna take a short trade. It looks like it's on top of the histogram. Then it dips, and then it comes right back up. And then the next opportunity for the time on this is a trend. The Trend Stalker Elite is a trend when I want to go for a longer trend move. I use the Trend Stalker Elite. Okay, 410 coming in for a sell opportunity, and it goes into 720, and then 720 on Wednesday, a buy signal up to 11:50 a.m. in the morning. All right, so that's as far as we can go with this Trend Stalker Elite. But this is an awesome. I've used this to make tons of pips on these pairs as well as just the power zone itself, because this also spits out an ATR value, so it tracks the pair and it'll tell you the target points. You got target, you can't see target 1 is right here. You got target 2, target 3, target 4, target 5. And a lot of times after it hits, for the most part, target 5, it tends to reverse. All right, traders, so that is the Trend Stalker Elite. Welcome back, traders. I'm just going to go over one of the webinars of the Back to the Future trading. I'm just going to put in a clip of Michael Leidick showing you the Canadian dollar signals. So we're going to go to that video in 1 second. Okay, so hold on, traders.
Why would you not want to know the times? By the way, if you're wondering if this works in Forex, here are the signals from the Canadian dollar that I gave you 2 days ago. Here are the signals from the Canadian dollar that I gave you 2 days ago. Bruce, were the Forex signals in our 60 to 70% window of accuracy? Did the patterns unpack the way we expected them to 2 days later? It's kind of ridiculous, right? Forex is trillions of dollars. It's one thing if we can do this with a futures index. It's another thing entirely if we can project what world banks will do to currencies and see this type of accuracy 2 to 5 days later and catch them manipulating the value, because these markets are trillions of dollars, not millions or billions. This is a huge pool.
Yeah, welcome back. That's pretty much the end of the little clip. Used as educational purposes, but as you can see, the dollar Canadian with those trade signals are lights out, traders. Just telling you, the dollar Canadian is just beast mode when using the Flux trading software. All right, it's probably my most profitable pair of all the trades I've taken since owning the software, and it's just boosted my percentage of trading way up. All right, traders, so if you need some more information on it, let me know. Send me a message. You can check out my YouTube channel as well. I got tons and tons of videos on there, and you could see that's the trading times. You can see it's on my channel right here. And like I said, I have tons of videos of me trading the Flux with the Power Zone. I'm also a student of Market Traders Institute. I learned how to trade that, from them, but with the assist of the Power Zone, and it's just taking the trading to another level. You can see all the videos here. I got tons of videos, and you can check and see how the Power Zone works. Okay, traders, so that's it, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. All right, traders, I'm out. Stay profitable and have a great trading week.